YouTube. Today I got another video vlog. Today we're going to be going to the farm. We're going to the farm. We're going to be seeing all the animals. We're going to be looking at all that extra stuff. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And so you guys can go on with my little daily adventure. Let's go. We're at the farm. Alright, so we're going to take you guys. It's going to be like a daily vlog. It's going to be our daily vlog. We are out here. We live in the country. We're living the country life. Yeah. Bye. Yeah, gonna be my pets real quick. Hold up. We gotta slide. Okay. This one, this is Ezekiel. That one, I'm gonna name her Patricia, Ezekiel. Y'all wanna see me pet my dogs? Hold up. Okay, I'm gonna pet Ezekiel. Yeah! Let's take you to the pigs, the piglets. Come on. Sassy walk. Let's go. So now, we are at the pigs. Well, it's only like one pig out there right now. There was like 3 of them before, but it's okay. Sure, we're talking about some shit stallion. Psych! Go. So this is my friend Leah. She couldn't come to the farm with us, but she's here in spirit.
What's up, Yana, baby? Hey, wait, go back. Y'all need to tell Tiana that she look like one of the pigs on the farm.
Bro, now you cut. You cancel. Leave it alone. Okay, Yana babies. Now we're at the Goatzilla's. Where is it at? There go my buddy Godzilla. What you guys say to this vlog? Yeah. But that's my dog, Godzilla. This where I belong, cause I'm a goat. Hell yeah. Or you have a horse. You're giving me.
You look like a pig.
Why do I gotta be a pig? Like, why can't I be like a chicken or something? Or like, the heck? Why do I have to be a pig? Look, you're on illegal stuff. Let me get it. We're not jumping in the pen because all we know is hens. Because we in the lion's den. Something about riding in a Mercedes Benz.
Oh God! Please no!
Mixtape coming 2022. Check that out. Period. Michaela, what does it do that again? Bro, stop. You're so retarded. This farm is whack. You heard it here, folks. This farm is whack. Okay, YouTube. Now we're at the cows. Hold up, you can't see us. Hold up. We at the cows. So after this, we're about to leave. Then we're gonna go to Chipotle or whatever we're gonna eat. Probably we're gonna go to the mall. Get something to eat at the mall. The mall is closed. Let's go.
5 hours later.
Alright, everybody. We're at the car. Gonna do a quick shoe flip. We're going to the outlet. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Because you know, that's important. Okay, everybody. So we're at the outlet. Where's Michaela? We're about to go shop. Ooh. Okay, so we ain't seen nothing in the outlet. So we're about to go to Chipotle. Because there was nothing good in there. And then we're gonna go to Ross. Okay, now. See it. That thing trying to run us over. Like, what the heck? people over here trying to run us over. Now we're at Chipotle.